Hello guys, this is Damian from forexbot.com and welcome back to our video examples on a live forex trading account. We remind that the trade you will see here is with and only educational purpose. So guys, I'm currently looking at the 5-minute chart of the American dollar Japanese yen forex pair because I see a pattern that is relatively rare and I will try to trade it. This pattern is called cup with handle. And why is it called that way? Because it really looks like a cup with a handle. Here it is. Now I'm building the cup. Alright, the cup is ready, and now let's do the handle. Here, and eventually over here, something like this. And I see that the price is currently attempting to break the upper level of the candle, and when this 5-minute candle is finished, I will instantly buy the American dollar Japanese yen forex pair on the assumption that the price will increase and that this shooting star candle pattern will not be like confirmed. And after I do this, I will position my stop loss order and my take profit order for this trade, and I will make them visual with specific levels that will let me have them on the chart in case one of the levels gets hit and the trade gets closed, as I always do. If you've seen most of my videos, you probably know that this is how I proceed. This is the 15-minute chart now. There's some interesting stuff over here. Something like a 5-minute chart is better to approach, in my opinion. Maybe if we take this as a bearish trend, this really is a breakout and a retracement like at the already broken trend. So let me first prepare to buy. Alright, period was finished. I just bought the American dollar Japanese yen forex pair. Now let me position this bearish trend line over here. I'm gonna put it in purple. Alright, notice that the trend line is getting tested here, here, and here. Then it breaks at the second part of the cup over here. The breakout, and then the price returned to the already broken bearish trend for a test. And now that the price broke the upper level of the handle, I have something like a confirmation that the price will eventually increase. For this reason, I'm going to now put my stop loss order below the lowest level of the handle, somewhere over here below the candle. And I'm gonna mark this level with red on the chart. $110.44 approximately. And now my take profit order. Where should my take profit order stay? So the ultimate cup with handle rules state that the take profit order should be located at a distance equal to the size of the cup. So, but the thing is that this time we will not take like the widest part in the pattern over here, and we'll take the midpoint of the lower part of the pattern. So one should always be creative here when measuring targets. So now I'm putting this rectangle somewhere over here in the middle of the base of the cup, and I stretch it upward, and this is like the move that I'm going to pursue. This is the size of the move I'm going to pursue, and I apply this size starting from the moment of the breakout through the upper level of the handle. Okay, and my take profit order should go at the upper level of this rectangle. So maybe I can take like 111.20 because it's a round number and it has psychological meaning maybe. And as you probably know, I always like to put meaning in my levels. Okay, 111.20 I set. 24. Now let's move it on 111.20, which is nearly at the upper level of the rectangle. Now I'm going to mark this level with a green line. So in case the price hits the take profit or the stop loss order, I will have it visualized. All right, and now my entry point that I'm gonna put in white. All right, I repeat again that this is a relatively rare pattern. I mean, not that it is rare, you can like meet it pretty frequently, but this time we have it pretty good, like in terms of shape, and it is not like that often as the double top or the double bottom pattern. So I decided it might be a good experience for you if I manage to shoot a successful trade with this pattern. And now that I have all the levels on the chart and my trade is 100% protected, I will pause this video and I'll come back to you later with the results from this trade. Okay guys, I'm back an hour and a half later to tell you that the cup with handle chart pattern is 100% successful. The take profit order of the pattern got hit at 111.20, which closed the successful trade. I feel great that I managed to trade it successfully and to put it on record for you so you can all watch it, because this is, as I said, this is not that easy pattern to trade. So it was a good achievement and a nice experience for me. Furthermore, the target was relatively big because the price went all the way up from 110.74 to 111.20, and now I'm going to do some calculations to determine the percentage profit for this trade. But first, what I'm going to do is to measure the pips from the trade. Approximately 46 pips profit from the trade, which is 0.46 from the exchange rate of the American dollar Japanese yen Forex pair. 46, and I divide 0.46 by 110.74, which is my entry price, and I get a result of 0.00415387. And when I multiply this number by 100, I get my percentage profit from this trade, which is 0.42% profit approximately. Very good trade. Absolutely, only hour and a half. Notice that the price increased exactly to my target, and then the price is trying to shoot down. By the way, the trade was actually not completed after an hour and a half, but over here, which is exactly 1 hour. So it took only 1 hour and not an hour and a half, which makes it even more lucrative. At the same time, my stop loss order was placed at 110.44 on 30 pips distance. So I risked like 0.30 pips, which is I risked 30 pips, which is 0.30 divided by the entry price at 110.74. I get a result of 0.0027, which is approximately 0.27%. So I risked 0.27% to profit something like 0.46%, which is pretty much a little bit more than 2-to-1 win-loss ratio, which makes the trade very advantageous in terms of metrics. Very good trade, I repeat, and I would like to remind you that this trade came as a result of a breakout through a bearish trend. I apologize. Here it is, that bearish trend, if I can say it is a trend, but still we have like 3 tops that are on the same line. And then after this breakout, the price created the cup, then the handle, and I bought the American dollar Japanese yen on the breakout in the handle right over here to trade for a price move equal to the vertical size of the pattern from the midpoint of the bottom of the cup to the upper level of the cup, and that distance was totally achieved by the price action, which closed a successful trade for 0.42% for me, creating like 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. So thank you very much for watching. This was Damian from forexboat.com. Looking forward to see you on the next live forex trading session, and until then, I wish you happy trading.